富士山頂を目指して有限なことだ。上がりきった時に何という何とも言えない。
The boys headed north, and geez, I tell you what, it was bloody hot. I can tell you that. It was about 37 degrees on the water. Oh, I'd say it'd be about 2 hours maybe before the first fish, and we're a little bit nervous because the first time we went there, we kind of caught them pretty early and pretty quickly. So we all were getting in our own heads, thinking, is it too hot? Is it this? Is it that? But as we got a little bit further down the river, they started to play ball. We caught the first fish, and then when we paddled to the bank, we stood up in the water, and we quickly realized that that first meter or so of the water column was really, really warm. And then there was a temperature change about midway down from our waist to the floor. Not a very deep river, so once we kind of figured that out, I kind of rigged on a, I think these are the Rapala heavy hitter in a 4-inch, snake locks, pretty heavy snags, and started slow rolling them around some of the shaded areas, again just being that it was hot, and yeah, it really started to get a few bites. Yep. Yes! Oh, a little Rapala, 4-inch little weedless plastic. Boys have been fucking grinding, but hopefully from here on we find them. Alright, more.
So yeah, mid-morning I kind of changed to a diesel minnow with the snake locks, and yeah, it worked out well. After a couple of casts I got one, and yeah, just a little 4-inch diesel minnow in this little golden colour.
Yep! I can't see him. Nah, I'm good. Nah, suedeless plastic. Yes! On the weedless, ain't it? Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Going skids. Oh, just get in the net, you bastard. Oh. Oh, yep. Oh. Oh, he's off. Oh. Yep. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Fuck. Yep. Oh my God. Fuck, come on. Please. Had about 3 bites in about 3 casts, and before that we had about 0 bites in about 6 hours, so it's a welcome change.
Oh, you fellas.
Chase is getting hooked up in the background. Let's fucking get this thing in the water and get the boys onto a couple.
I didn't get anything until later, but I swapped colour and I was throwing this green one again in the 4-inch, and I had like a belly weighted weedless hook on it, and yeah, I threw this round for pretty much all arbor, and then yeah, finally got another one on dark or on dusk, and yeah, it was funny. Jamie kind of saw me do one cast like up in this corner, and it looked into like a pretty good zone, and he was like, I heard him say, oh yeah, if that doesn't get a fish,
Like, how does that cast not get a fish?
or something like that, and yeah, and I was kind of thinking, yeah, for me it was a good cast, and then I was winding it back out pretty slow, and then felt a little doink, and yeah, hooked up.
That was sick.
So sick.
Come here, boy.
Whoa.
You good, or you want me to net him? Oh, fuck. Oh. Oi. Come here, you bastard. Yes.
You
Waited a little bit again for one, but
been tried and tested today.
it's a fucking nice one.
I'll put him back, eh?
Yeah, give him the swim. First time we were there, we were catching quite a few fish on hard bodies. These were probably the hot ticket. Pretty much a lot of fish came from these bony swims on the first trip. Did catch a few on the Sicario, didn't actually land any. Also waited on the snake locks. Snake locks, we pretty much ran a 3/8. I did try a 1/2 ounce for a little bit, but it was probably just a little bit too much. So yeah, 3/8, 5/0. So second morning we launched, and I was kind of adamant, especially after seeing Jeff hook a barra on a hard body, that I was not going to just throw a plastic again all day. So I kind of was just throwing the bony swim, and it was just one of those sections of river where I was just kind of talking crap with the boys, and yeah, I threw it out into the snag and kind of fished that section, or fished that first 10 meters off the snag that I thought was good, and just let it sit there, and forgot I was kind of fishing for a second, and was just talking to the boys, and then all of a sudden I felt a bit of a just a really little soft bite, and I kind of swung at it, and yeah, it hooked up, and I just couldn't believe it. But I was pretty stoked on the eat, and pretty stoked that it didn't come off a plastic. Dude, I wasn't even fishing it. I was standing there talking. I was just sitting there.
That's sick. I'm a bone dog.
Oh no.
You want a hand or are you right?
I might need a hand on it. Oh, we're good. Oh, day 2. First one in the morning. It was a soft plastic bite all day yesterday, weedless ones, and we're over it. So just throwing the floating boney, and just actually forgot I was fishing. I was just talking shit with the boys. I was sitting there, and this fella come up and whacked it. Get him back in, and let's just keep fishing.
Second morning, we were all pretty convinced that it was just a plastics were doing the job. So I'd kind of run out of, well, I hadn't run out, but I just didn't have that many plastics to really fish. And yeah, Jamie just sent me this jack burner, and I thought, oh, it's in a decent color. I'll give that a run. I was using this for a few hours the second morning, and was slow rolling it back, and it was almost back in the kayak, and I started to burn it a bit quicker to get it in. And yeah, as I started burning it, it just saw my line just goes, and yeah, pretty decent fish took it, and then just did a big jump over like a log, and I was like, holy shit. And then it jumped again, like a little jump. I was trying to stop it and whining, and then it just wrapped me around, I think, a log, and I was trying to pull, probably pulling too hard, and yeah, it just busted me off. I was pretty off it because it looked like a decent fish.
Yeah.
I can't wait to go home. Oh, that's a good view. It looks great. You want us over there with a net, you brother?
He's off. Yeah, I found like we hooked them and they were pinned really well. I did drop quite a few fish at the kayak, which kind of confused me a little bit as to how they all of a sudden, like, the hooks pulled after like a good 30-minute fight. But yeah, I thought the snake locks pinned them really well. Again, super snaggy, heaps of submerged logs, lay downs. Oh, he's out. He's out. Fuck, he's trying to frick me again. Fuck, I think he's alright, eh? Don't know why a few got off, but that's also Barramundi fishing. Sometimes you catch a few and you lose more. So
after seeing Jamie, he was just still using his heavy hitter Rapala on the snake locks, and it was just getting down that bit deeper with the 3/8, and he was getting fish. So I was like, oh, I'm just gonna go back to the 3/8 snake locks, and yeah, soon enough I got my last fish for the second day. And yeah, again, he was chatting to me. I think they were saying, oh, how's the smaller ones kind of go pretty skits?
they take off first, yeah, they go for a run. The little ones just go off like a cut snake, eh? Oh! Just keep him up, you're right. Keep him up, you got a log there. Don't pull. You're gonna need to go around the backside.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah. Oh. You're right, you're off.
He's under you.
Yeah, he's alright. Bring him up. Up, up, up.
Yes!
And then yeah, that was my last fish for the day. And yeah, so first fish on the Z-Man, last fish on the Z-Man.
Whether you're catching them, not catching them, I feel like there's always stuff to be learned. And yeah, definitely any time on the water, rolling out swags and fishing with mates is a good time to me. So yeah, we'll go back just that little bit more knowledgeable for next time.